How much income should you spend on your mortgage? This is a frequently asked question from me personally, being a mortgage broker for the last 15 years. And here are the 3 best practices. Rule number 1 is the 28% rule, which you get 28% times the gross pre-tax monthly income. Let me show you an example. Now, say you earn 2 G's gross per week, times it by 4, that's 8K per month. 28% using the 28% rule, it means the monthly repayments cannot exceed $2,240 per month. Otherwise, according to most banks, you'll be experiencing mortgage stress. Best practice number 2 is the 45% rule. For this best practice is different to this one because this is 45% of the net income. So this is suitable for people who have a lot of tax deductions and they're in the high tax bracket. For example, you're earning over 160K. So for example, you are earning 2K gross. Just for this example, to copy the first example to make it simple, you go to a calculator called PAYG calculator, you chuck in about 2K over here and you get the net value. You pop it into here, you times it by 4, which is 6,144. Then you times it by the 45% rule, you get $2,765 per month. This means as per this income, your repayment shouldn't exceed $2,765. Otherwise, you will be considered going through mortgage stress. And the very last option is the 25% post-tax rule. This best practice is for the risk-averse people, the chicken little people. So again, you get your gross, then you turn it into net, which is, for this example, same as option 2. You times it by 4, but this time you times it by 25%, which means you get $1,536 per month. Out of the 3 best practices, this is by far the most conservative, so do apply it sparingly and with common sense. Everyone's financial situation is very different. This is just 3 practices that I have come up to give to my clients when they ask me these type of questions. Jump in the comments, which option suits you the most? And are you exceeding the minimum repayments from these rules? And do you consider that mortgage stress?